All right, so last week on Wednesday, I was here, we did the snowflake experiment where we used what,
Yeah.
rock salt and water,
Yep.
right? And we were making snowflakes. We didn't add the blue. So tell us what was the difference? What did you do?
So I had to make some adjustments at home between last week and this week. You know, science isn't perfect. We have to make some adjustments sometimes
Yeah.
to the scientific method. So what I did was 3 different methods of growing snowflakes, and I found one to be the most successful. So we're going to take some of the video that I shot at home. Boiling water is the key, though. We just used lukewarm water. You need to have boiling water. So we had the Epsom salt last week, and that's what I tried to do here with the boiling water, and then place the snowflake inside the jar. Second method is using just table salt. So that's a 1/4 cup of salt for every 1 cup of boiling water. So using the table salt, diluting that, stirring it up until it's dissolved, and then putting it in the refrigerator to make the water cool off a lot faster. Now the third method, and the one that works the best, is with borax powder. So in the laundry detergent aisle, 3 tablespoons of borax powder for every 1 cup of boiling water. Put that into the jar and again mix it up and make sure that it's all dissolved in that boiling water.
Tornado, too.
Yeah, a little vortex. That boiling water can hold a lot more of the powder before it cools down, and then will solidify on the snowflake. So if we come back out here to the desk, I have the Epsom salt snowflake with nothing on it.
That's what we did.
That's what we had. Yeah.
So the Epsom salt
We
was a bit
failed.
of a fail.
We are a bit of a fail.
Now,
Sorry to say
if you're
that.
trying to do it without the chemicals of the borax powder, the table salt does work. Like there are some
Crystallization
crystals
there. Yeah,
happening on this snowflake here. So this was just without any food coloring, and that table salt is adhering to the pipe cleaner snowflake.
But the boiling water, what, gets it started?
Right, so it's a bigger temperature difference going from that boiling water to very cold water now. And that allows the boiling water to hold more of the salt initially.
I see.
And then it's a bigger decrease in temperature for it to solidify and adhere back onto the snowflake.
Now, was
But
that boiling water or lukewarm as well?
This
for the table salt.
was boiling water as well.
Got it.
So I used boiling water initially for all 3 of these.
I see.
Because that's the key with just putting in the microwave for 2 minutes like I did last time, not hot enough.
Got it.
Okay.
You learn. Yep.
You learn.
Yep. Live and
So
learn.
with the
Ooh, that looks
borax
nice.
powder, this
yeah.
is the one that came out the best with
That's-
all that
Nice.
crystallization.
That's an
We've got
ornament right there.
the blue food coloring in there. Now you have to be careful if you do this at home because borax powder chemicals, you don't want the kids to get that in their mouths.
No.
So this one, again, turned out the best. The only problem is with these other 2 ones, I think they crystallized a little too good,
get
so
it
I
out.
can't get it out of the jar. So we'll cross that bridge.
You just got a bigger jar.
Yeah,
right?
break the
You're going to need
jar
a bigger
to get-
jar.
So a lot of fun, an update on how to grow your own crystal snowflakes at home.
So the key would be borax then?
Yes, and boiling water.
Nice work.
All right, and a bigger jar.
Yeah.
We'll be back.